Sri Rajesh Badalji, the Vice Chancellor and the Registrar of MIT World Peace University campus here at Pune, and other dignitaries on the dais, a very good morning to each and every one of you. First of all, I would like to thank and express my gratitude to Dr. Rahul V. Karatji for organizing and inviting me to attend this program, capacity building program for legislators, and also to speak on the topic artificial intelligence and social media. It's a power or pitfall. I would also like to mention on the commendable initiatives that Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad has taken since 2011. Various other initiatives it has taken, like organizing National Legislators Conference, NLC, and NCSL under the visionary leadership of Dr. Rahul V. Karat. This is not only beneficial for the youth of this country, but also plays a crucial role in strengthening parliamentary democracy of our country. Student politics has always been the fulcrum of India's democratic process, and many prominent leaders have sprung out from student movements. Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad ignites this spirit within students, inculcating values of public service, social sensitivity, and transparency in governance. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we engage with social media. It empowers us to connect across vast distances, customize online experiences, and access information like never before. AI algorithms curate our feeds, enabling us to discover content that resonates with our interests and preferences. In many ways, it enhances our ability to communicate, share ideas, and foster community. The interaction of artificial intelligence and social media has reshaped on how we communicate, consume information, and interact with the digital world. We have to see the power of AI in social media, the challenges it presents, and a balanced approach to leveraging the benefits while mitigating its drawbacks. AI tools examine vast amounts of social media data and provides deep insights into public behavior and access public sentiment. It can also detect offensive or inappropriate content, reducing harmful interactions and enhancing community safety. However, we must also acknowledge the darker side of this powerful technology. The same algorithms that connects us can also isolate us, creating echo chambers where misinformation can thrive. The rapid spread of disinformation, coupled with the rise of deep fakes, poses significant threats to our societal fabric. Furthermore, the algorithms often prioritize engagement over authenticity, sometimes leading to environments filled with negativity and divisiveness. Some of the pitfalls and challenges of artificial intelligence in social media are like misinformation and fake news. AI can facilitate the rapid speed of misinformation by generating convincing fake content, creating challenges for public discourse and trust. Also, the use of AI in gathering personal data raises significant privacy issues, as users may not be aware of how their data is being collected and used. There is also concern that AI may take away jobs in certain sectors and about the future of work. So, is AI a power or pitfall in social media? The answer lies in how we choose to wield this powerful tool. While AI has the potential to enhance our social landscapes, it is crucial to approach it with responsibility. We must advocate for transparency, promote digital literacy, and hold platforms accountable for their impact on society. Therefore, there should be a balanced approach to leveraging AI and social media. We have to prioritize transparency, accountability, and fairness in the use of AI and its rules. Ensure diverse, representative training in data to mitigate biases. We have to advocate policies that safeguard user privacy and address the spread of misinformation. Social media has to adhere to regulations that enhance accountability in AI use. We also have to promote digital literacy programs that educate the users about AI and how it operates in social media, focusing on recognizing misinformation, fake news, and private policy. We also have to encourage social media platforms to incorporate features that prioritize healthy usage, such as notifications about excessive usage, etc. The synergy between AI and social media presents opportunities for innovation, personalization, and engagement. At the same time, it is essential to make a careful consideration of the ethical, social, and psychological implications. By adopting balanced approach, we can maximize the benefits of AI while minimizing its risks and challenges. In conclusion, I would say that the youth who are in front of me here today, the youth of our country play a pivotal role in shaping social media dynamics and offer immense potential in the development of ethical AI solutions that benefit society. Young people are more familiar with the social media and digital tools and engaging in innovative uses of technology. Our youth, they can promote awareness on ethical use of AI, social issues, and community well-being. Through forums, blogs, and social discussions, youth can explore what ethical AI means, contributing their perspectives to the public. Their feedback on AI applications can help developers to understand user needs. As future professionals in technology, youth are also encouraged to pursue education in AI ethics, which will prepare them to create responsible solutions. They have the potential to shape a more equitable and ethical digital future. Hence, AI and social media can both be a power and a pitfall. The key is to leverage its capabilities while safeguarding the values that unite us. Therefore, let us work together to harness its potential for positive change in our social media landscapes. Thank you so much for listening. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.